Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fat tire e-bikes for adventure that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ultraverse 20x4 e-bike fat tire. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those looking to upgrade their e-bike or MTB with durable, high-performance fat tires. The standout feature here is the dual compound Road Dominator design, which provides excellent grip and durability on both street and trail surfaces. The reinforced casing ensures the tires can handle rough terrain without frequent punctures, making them ideal for adventurous riders. In terms of design, these tires are built with premium rubber and advanced anti-puncture technology, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride across different terrains. The semi-slick tread pattern offers low rolling resistance, which is great for conserving battery life on your e-bike. Additionally, the tires provide excellent shock absorption, enhancing comfort during long rides. While the Ultraverse 20x4 offers great value for its price, it's worth noting that it's not a complete e-bike, but rather a set of tires. This means it's best suited for those who already own a bike and are looking for an upgrade. Pros include its affordability, durability, and versatility, while the cons are limited to the fact that it's not a full e-bike solution. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for riders on a budget who want reliable performance for both street and trail adventures. At number 4, we have the UR-Life 20x3.0 Fat Tire Electric Bike. This e-bike is an excellent choice for those who want a compact yet powerful ride. Featuring a 1,000-watt peak motor, it's capable of reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour, making it an efficient option for both urban commutes and off-road trails. The 20-inch by 3.0 fat tires, combined with front suspension, provide great traction and shock absorption, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. The standout feature of the UR-Life e-bike is its 48-volt removable battery, which offers an impressive range of up to 80 miles per charge in eco mode. This makes it suitable for extended rides or daily commuting without worrying about frequent recharges. The adjustable seat and ergonomic design ensure comfort for riders of various heights, while the 7-speed gear system allows for seamless transitions across different terrains. While the UR-Life e-bike delivers solid performance, its slightly narrower tires, 3.0 inches, might not offer the same level of stability as larger 4.0-inch tires on rugged terrain. Additionally, the price isn't listed, making it harder to evaluate its value proposition. Pros include its extended battery life, versatile design, and powerful motor, while cons include the narrower tires and lack of price transparency. Overall, it's a great choice for those seeking an all-around commuter and adventure bike. Coming in at number 3 is the Cybervelo 1,000-watt folding electric bike. If portability and power are what you're after, this e-bike delivers on both fronts. Powered by a 1,000-watt motor, 1,500-watt peak, it can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest models on our list. The 48V 20.8Ah removable battery offers an impressive range of up to 80 miles, making it perfect for long commutes or off-road adventures. The Cybervelo e-bike features 20-inch fat tires that are anti-slip and puncture-proof, ensuring reliability on various terrains, from snow and sand to mountain trails. The foldable design is a major plus for users who need to store or transport their bike easily. The LCD display is another highlight, providing real-time updates on speed, mileage, and battery life, so you can plan your rides effectively. While the Cybervelo e-bike is packed with features, its higher price point, though undisclosed, might make it less accessible to budget-conscious buyers. Pros include its powerful motor, long-range battery, and foldable design. The cons are its heavier weight and potentially high price. Nevertheless, it's an excellent choice for riders who need a portable, yet high-performance e-bike. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the D-Power electric bike for adults. This powerhouse of an e-bike is designed for riders who crave high performance and versatility. With a 1,500-watt motor, 3,500-watt peak, It can conquer 35-degree slopes and reach speeds up to 30 mph. The dual 2880 watt-hour removable batteries provide an astonishing range of up to 180 miles with pedal assist, making it perfect for long-distance travel or intense off-road adventures. The D-Power e-bike features dual suspension and fat 20-inch tires, ensuring a smooth and stable ride, even on the roughest terrains. Safety is a priority here, with responsive dual-disc brakes and high-powered front and rear lights for nighttime visibility. The intuitive LCD display keeps you informed about your speed, battery level, and mileage, allowing you to customize your ride as needed. While this e-bike offers incredible features, its premium specs come at a higher price point. Price not listed, but expected to be significant. Pros include its powerful motor, unparalleled range, and robust build. Cons include its heavy weight and upper-tier pricing. This bike is ideal for serious adventurers and long-distance riders who demand the best from their e-bike. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Ultraverse 26x4 e-bike fat tire. If you're looking for the best all-around fat tires for your e-bike or mountain bike, these 26-inch tires are hard to beat. The durable, all-terrain directional tread ensures exceptional grip and stability on a variety of surfaces, whether you're riding on asphalt, gravel, or muddy trails. The superior density of these tires enhances their durability, making them a long-lasting investment. The 26-inch size provides excellent balance and control, especially for larger bikes, while the ultra-low rolling resistance helps conserve battery life on e-bikes. These tires are built to handle both street and trail adventures, giving you the flexibility to switch between urban commutes and off-road explorations seamlessly. The premium rubber construction and reinforced casing add to their reliability, ensuring you won't need frequent replacements. The Ultraverse 26x4 is a premium option for those who want the best performance. But it's worth noting that it's a tire set, not a complete e-bike. Pros include its exceptional build quality, versatile performance, and durability, while the cons are limited to its higher price compared to other tire-only options. Overall, this is the ultimate choice for riders who want unparalleled performance and reliability for their e-bike or MTB. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.